Yo, what if I told you I'm holding a life-threatening amount of tension in my glutes?
No glutes.
Calves?
No.
Haunches?
No.
Muffin top?
No.
Back fat?
No. Top of head only.
Deal. Don't stop.